Okay, so you may have seen on some Instagram accounts and as you're browsing Instagram that you get some grid posts that have got these little shopping bag icons next to them, and you can tap onto it, tap on the post, and it will come up with little details about the products that are featured in the post. You can see the price. You can also click on the View Products button or the little tag itself, and it will take you to a little landing page, again telling you the title of the product, the price of the product, the shop, and also giving you the option to tap on View Website, which will take you straight to the product page. And you can see this on a few accounts that are selling products. There's also, if you go onto your Explore page, a whole tab for grid posts that are basically tagged with a product, and they can be videos or they can be images, they can be carousel posts, and all of these have been tagged with a product that you can actually buy and click on the little website link to go straight to people's shops. But how do people actually set these up? It's very simple, but you basically need to make sure, first of all, that you are using a business account, which you can double check by going into settings and then scrolling to the bottom of the account section, and it should say, if it says switch to personal or switch to creator, that means you already have a business account. If it says switch to business account, I would recommend you do that. What it will ask you to do is basically link to your Facebook business page. So you need to have a Facebook business page to set up products on Instagram, because what Instagram products actually are basically products that are being pulled through from your Facebook business page shop. So don't worry if you don't have one of those set up already. I'm going to show you how to do that.
So to set up a Facebook shop that connects to your Instagram, what you first need to do is go to the shop tab on your Facebook page, which is here on the left hand side, and you can see that mine is on here because I've then got this little shop section on my main page. And if we click onto this shop section, you can see that you are allowed to add products to it. So here you can see the products that I've already got listed in my shop, and I can click add product and it will open a pop-up which allows me to add details about a new product that I want to add to the shop. And it'll allow me to add photos, videos, a name, price, and the URL where people can check out. So that would be the product page on your website that you would link there, and then click save, and that will add it to your shop. If you don't have the shop tab on your business page, sometimes it just doesn't appear here, what you can do is go over to settings, and then once you're on your page settings, just go to templates and tabs in the left hand area, and then scroll down to the bottom and click add a tab. And this should ask you if you want to add a variety of different tabs, but obviously we want to add the shop one. So just click add tab and close, and that will have automatically added that tab to your business page, which we can see now in the left hand side. Then it will ask you about setting up a shop, and obviously ask you to add your first product as well, but once those products are in there, then you can start to connect it to Instagram.
So then what should happen is, if you then go into your Instagram stories by tapping the little camera icon in the top left, and then we just go and just take a picture. You should then see, if you tap the stickers icon up at the top, that you have the product sticker option, and all your products that you've loaded into Facebook should be loaded on there. So then I can just select the one that I want. I can tap to edit the product name. I can take different bits out. I can save it, click done, tap it again to make it different color, and then just position it in the story however I want it to look, and then I can just click publish to my stories. And then what other people can do then when they are viewing your stories, once that has uploaded, go on to another account to show you, is tap on your stories. Let's go and click to find it, and they can view your product like so, and click tap to view website. And it should take them straight to the product page that you have linked it up to on Facebook. So that is how to do it on your stories. Let's go back onto my account and pretend that we are posting just a normal grid post as well. So let's just choose this one. It's not edited or anything, but let's just pretend it is. So then what you can do is click the tag products button, tap somewhere on there, and again, it will bring up this same list. You can select the weekly planner there, click done, and that will have tagged the Instagram grid post. So then it should look something like, let's see where I've done it before. Just one of these ones. I've got some digital products loaded in there. So then you can see that when you do have a grid post that you've tagged with a product, it has this little shop icon, which again, you can just tap and click to go onto that same page. And it will also appear here with the price when you tap on the image as well. If you like this tip, then definitely check out my completely free Instagram course. There are 9 really in-depth lessons, which include video tutorials and kind of strategy tips and training as well, all from setting up your account, creating content, using hashtags, planning, all about the algorithm and engagement. We go into it all, and it is completely free to sign up to. I will leave the link in the description, so definitely go and check that out. And thank you so much for watching this video.